Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Fomo app freeze or crash right when you're on the trade confirmation screen? Here's what to check before you try again. First and most importantly, if the app freezes or crashes mid-trade, do not immediately retry the same action. First, close the app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it. Check your positions and balance screen first to confirm whether the trade actually went through before doing anything else. Since on-chain actions can sometimes compete even if the app's display froze, go to the settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off. After that, it will reset your connection. Since an unstable connection during a live trade screen is most common cause of this kind of freeze, close every other app in your recent app list before trading again. Since background apps competing for memory can cause the confirmation on the screen specifically to hang. If freezes continue, then go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone's storage, then find Fomo and then tap offload app and reinstall fresh from App Store. For any trade you're unsure actually completed, check fomo.family/answers or contact official Fomo of support directly rather than guessing. So all you've got to do is check your balance first, reset your connection, close background apps and reinstall if needed, and contact your official support if you're ever unsure a trade went through. And that's it. Subscribe.